Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sudoku on a Keypad mobile. To begin, open the Sudoku game on your phone. You will see a grid of 9 rows and 9 columns, further divided into 9 smaller 3x3 boxes. Your goal is to fill every empty cell with a number from 1 to 9. Use the directional keys on your keypad to move the cursor and highlight the cell where you wish to place a number. Once a cell is selected, simply press the number key on your keypad that corresponds to the digit you want to enter, from 1 to 9. If you realize you've made an error, locate the Clear or Delete button on your keypad to erase the incorrect number. A good starting strategy is to look for rows, columns, or 3x3 blocks that already have many numbers filled in, as these often reveal easy placements. As you progress, try more advanced techniques. Search for hidden singles, where a specific number can only be placed in one particular cell within a row, column, or 3x3 block. Also, consider naked pairs or triples to narrow down possibilities. Always double-check your work to ensure no row, column, or block contains duplicate numbers. Some games even offer a helpful check feature to highlight any errors. To enhance your keypad Sudoku experience, remember to take your time. Rushing often leads to mistakes, which can be frustrating. If your game has an undo feature, use it freely to correct any recent errors without restarting. Consistent practice is key to improving your speed and ability to spot patterns quickly. Begin with simpler puzzles and gradually challenge yourself with more difficult ones as your skills grow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.